This is Andrew Domino from CarbSmart.com, and today I'm making our low-carb, ketogenic pumpkin spice latte recipe for one. This is a quick and easy hot fall beverage you can make in just 5 minutes. Why pay exorbitant Starbucks prices when you can make this low-carb version quicker, cheaper, and healthier at home? Plus, it only has half the calories and only 2 grams of net carbs instead of 52. Start with 8 ounces of your favorite hot brewed coffee. I suggest dark roast, but use your fall favorite. 1 tablespoon of sugar-free pumpkin pie syrup. I'm using Torani brand, but you can also use DaVinci Gourmet or Jordan skinny syrups, as long as they're sugar-free. 3 tablespoons of heavy whipping cream. 1 teaspoon of Swerve Granular Sweetener or your favorite sugar substitute. Using your immersion blender or hand frother, combine all ingredients except the pumpkin pie spice into a large cup or bowl. Continue until well blended with a hearty head of froth on top. Pour into a Festive coffee mug and generously add pumpkin pie spice to the top. If you order a Starbucks Pumpkin Spice Latte a couple of times per week, or daily, like some of my non-low-carb friends here in Las Vegas do, the calories and carbohydrates add up quickly. With the CarbSmart low-carb, quick and easy Pumpkin Spice Latte, you'll get the same great taste with only 2 grams of net carbs instead of 52. Even if you doubled the recipe, you're still getting 50 grams less carbs per latte. For a printable version of this recipe, search Pumpkin Spice Latte at CarbSmart.com. For over 600 more free low-carb recipes, including over 100 by Dana Carpenter, please visit CarbSmart.com. I welcome your comments below.